Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So with this video, we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. Like what is the batch profile for IIT Roorkee, on what percentile you can target with this option, what about the placements for the IIT Roorkee, that everything we are going to discuss with this video. If we consider the overall batch profile for IIT Roorkee, then the batch size is of 66 students and there are 57 candidates are the male candidates and 9 candidates are the female candidates. If we consider it in terms of educational background, then there are 21% candidates are with the CSE and IT academic background, 19% candidates have the mechanical and allied background, 18% candidates have the ECE and EE background, 17% candidates are from the commerce and allied, 10% candidates are from the chemical, 8% candidates are from the civil and 7% candidates have the academic background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 58% candidates are the freshers, 15% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months, 11% candidates have the work experience in between 13 to 24 months, 8% candidates have the work experience in between 25 to 36 months and 8% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. And if we consider the overall professional background, then there are 35% candidates are from the manufacturing, 22% candidates are from the education, 15% candidates are from the ITS and analytics, 13% candidates are from the consulting, 5% candidates are from the FMCG and FMCD and 10% candidates are from the other sector than this. If we consider the placements for the IIT Roorkee, then the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 18.34 lakhs per annum. The highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 27.94 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.85 lakhs per annum. There are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 21.18 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 18.09 lakhs per annum and the lowest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 11.60 lakhs per annum. If we consider the domain-wise placements for the IIT Roorkee, then for the operations, IT and analytics, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 19.36 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with this college, then those are management trainee, IT solutions advisor, package consultant, SAP consultant, operations analyst, data analyst, universal analyst, technical program manager, business analyst and project manager. Then if we consider it for the general management, then the average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 18.39 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with this domain, then those are management trainee, young leaders program, assistant manager, associate senior manager, management leadership, strategy and business operations, team lead and general manager. If we consider it for the marketing domain, then the average salary package offered with the marketing is nearly up to 18.29 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with the marketing domain, then those are management trainee, executive trainee, product manager, product specialist, relationship manager, business development, area sales manager, key account manager and marketing strategy. Then if we consider it with the finance domain, then the average salary package offered is nearly up to 15.98 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with the finance domain, then those are financial risk advisor, financial operations, financial analyst, senior auditor, digital journey manager, portfolio manager, internal audit, financial consultant, senior financial associate and graduate analyst. If we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIT Roorkee, then those are Adani, Barclays, Accenture Strategy, Cognizant, Deloitte, Infosys, HCL, Godrej, EXL, Hero, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, EY, Reliance, Aditya Birla Group, Tata AIA, Whirlpool, IBM and there are so many companies. If we consider the important dates for the IIT Roorkee, then the last date of submission of online application is 31st January 2024 and they will release the shortlisted candidates for interview in the month of February and the interview will be conducted in the month of March. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, so you must have completed your graduation with minimum 60% marks and for the reserve category candidates there is a 5% of relaxation. So you must have completed your graduation with minimum 55% marks in your graduation. So there is a Golden Girl scheme for female applicants for the IIT Roorkee. The eligibility for that is the first rank holder female candidates from an IIT or the institute or university that rank in the top 50 in the NRF in the most recent year is needed. If we consider the application fees, then for the general EWS and OBC NC candidates, the fees is nearly up to 1600 rupees. For SC ST candidates, it is 800 rupees. So here, if you want to apply for the IIT Roorkee, you need to visit their official website and you need to complete the process. So for the application, you will need your recent photograph, your signature, CAT 2023 scorecard, 10th certificate, 12th certificate, then bachelor's degree, master's degree if applicable, SC, ST caste certificate if applicable, then sponsorship experience certificate if you have any, then proof of annual income and passport. It is applicable for the international candidates only. So these are the documents you will require for the application of the IIT Roorkee. So if we consider the number of seats, then the number of seats available in the MBA program is presently 95. If we consider the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff for the IIT Roorkee, then it is 90 percentile for the general category, and for the reserved category students it is 75 percentile. And if we consider the previous year section wise cutoff, then for VRC, DLR and quantitative ability section it is 50 percentile and overall it is 95 percentile. If we consider the MBA selection parameters for the IIT Roorkee, so in that the 60% weightage is given to your CAT score, 20% weightage is given to your personal interview, 10% weightage is given to the work experience. And if we talk about the expected cutoff according to the category, then for general category we can expect the cutoff for the IIT Roorkee, it is nearly up to 94.6 percentile. For the OBC, it is 90 percentile. For SC category, we can expect the cutoff up to 82 percentile. For ST category, it is 74 percentile. And for PWD, it is 71 percentile. So this is all about the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.